deep breath. If you breathe all the way in, all the way out, your body has an automatic pump. So that way your breath kind of works on its own versus you having to manually breathe all the time. Because when we manually breathe, we get stressed out and we hold our breath. So the more that we force our body to go all the way in until we can't anymore and let it naturally let go, that automatic pump keeps you breathing automatically. So if you go all the way in until you can't anymore and you let go and all the way out until you physically can't anymore say anything else and you let go, your body naturally pumps in. That's what you want to practice doing on both.
Okay.
And then your body builds back its habit of automatic breathing versus shallow. I was about to say, teach people about it to force a thing. Okay, deep breath. Try and relax your entire shoulder. Give yourself. You must really love yourself. Yeah, you definitely feel that tightness.
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath all the way in. Let go. Deep breath. Back a little bit. Deep breath. Looking up.
Okay.
Most people don't do that anymore, but if you just kind of throughout the day, just look up for like
Okay.
15 seconds. And try to swallow. Yeah, this is for the upper part. So this kind of tension in here.
Mm-hmm.
Just let your ear fall to your shoulder here. Oh, jaw too. All the way over to your left and then let your